Hi everyone, welcome to level 4 of our business analyst crash course. So in this level, we focus on business logic and processing. This is where the system decide what to do with the data you provided. So we are instructing the system what to do with the collected information. So understanding the business logic is key to writing accurate requirements, and this is any workflows that work in real project. Okay, so let's understand why this is matter. Business logic is basically the rule that govern how the system process input, right? So for example, a loan application sorry, is only approved if the customer meets age, right? Age greater than 18 and income, right? And credit score requirement. So these all come from the business requirement. So we need to feed into system. Then the system knows how to give the decision. So as a BA, you must understand these rules, catch missing or incorrect conditions early. Okay. So let's understand one example in our worksheet, how we're going to proceed, how we're going to learn business logic. So here is one worksheet to demo for loan eligibility processing. Identify how the input is processed. Okay, so you can see customer age, we are collecting income, credit score, loan amount, and rules can be age can be equal or greater than 61 and age can be less than or equal 60. So age limit is between this one, below or above this threshold, and that's not a potential candidate. Credit score greater than or equal 650. So loan amount less than or equal 10x monthly income. So this again one logic, how to qualify, like what is the eligibility, right? How the system decide how much amount to give, right? So these are all business logic example. So your task is identify how the system process each input, write the expected result for the valid and invalid inputs, and identify potential edge cases or rule validation. Because now we are adding all the layers you are previously learned, right? Like happy path, edge cases. Okay. Sample steps, like custom age is one business rule. Expected results, system rejects application with message age below minimum requirement. So this is the edge case, your message if the age is less than 20 or less than 21. Okay, if the customer provide 20. So your key lesson, okay, key lessons here. Business logic works it teach you like how input trigger the specific outcomes, right? How identify missing rules or edge cases, and how to document rules clearly for developers and testers. So this is the foundation for building more complex workflows in the future level. So it's not software development like converting manual workflow into digital workflows, but you have to understand this nitty-gritty tiny things inside the application, what application is required. So first you understood, the business side, what the customer need. Now, how to provide this business requirement the way system likes. That's what you are learning here, okay? So next step, we have to complete 30 worksheets here, and you have a exam. So now next step is our, I guess, level 5, if I'm not wrong, level 5, learning the databases, okay, how the system save. I think, I'm not sure, notification is next level. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next level demo video. Thank you.